Was there a time where you need to submit a video file to your company, organization, client, or school? Did you have a hard time emailing it because the file was too big? If you do, stay tuned and I will show you how you can work around it. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing great. Today, I will show you how to upload a video file to your Google Drive. We hope this video will help you learn the seamless and contemporary way of sending or sharing videos without breaking a sweat. I'm Val and this is the latest Google Drive tutorial series of My Metro Lifestyle. If you have not subscribed yet, just click subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future Google Suite tutorial uploads. Video is a program, movie, or other visual media output featuring moving images. It can be recorded with or without an audio, and it can also be stored digitally. The earliest video was created for experimental broadcasting using mechanical Nipkow disc from 1910 to 1930. Today, video let us send more personal feel to our message in a fun and entertaining way. It allows us to have a deeper connection with our audience than other content type. Before we upload the video, let us first log into your Google Drive account. Here are the steps. First, pull up an internet browser. You may also use other browser like Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Pull up Mozilla or IE and then type Google/Drive on the address bar. Press enter on your keyboard and then left click on Google Drive Sign In. Log in to your Gmail account. In this video, we will use Google Chrome. Locate your Google Chrome browser and left-click on it. Looking at your screen on the upper right-hand side, left-click on the 9 dots to see the other Google apps. Scroll your mouse pointer to the one that says Drive and left-click on it. And then sign in to your Google Drive account. For better file management, here are the steps on creating a folder or folders in your Google Drive account. Always remember that New, My Drive, or when you right-click inside the Drive main page, it will show you the same choices. For this demonstration, we will left-click on My Drive and then left-click on New Folder to create the Google Drive folder we will use to organize our video file. Type the label you want to use for your folder. Once you have your Google Drive folder created, left-click on it to pull it up. Right-click inside the folder window and then left-click on Upload Files. Locate the video file you want to upload, left-click on it, and then left-click on Open to upload the file. The upload details will show on the lower right-hand side of your screen. Wait for the upload until you see a green check beside the file name of the file you are uploading. Once your file or video file is uploaded, you will see it on the folder window. Before sharing your video using a link or email, you need to change first the video link restrictions and access level. Here are the steps. Left-click the file you want to send and left-click the share icon on the upper right-hand side of the folder window. The sharing option will appear on your screen. Set the restriction of your video link under the Get Link option by left-clicking on Change. Left-click on the drop-down beside the Anyone with the Link option to change the restriction. Left-click the drop-down beside the editor to change the level of the link access from View to Commenter or Editor. Left-click on Done once you're finished setting up. If you want to share the video file through email, all you need to do is left-click the video file, left-click the share icon, and type the email address where you want to send the video you uploaded. Select the email where you want to send your file, compose your message, and left-click on Send. You may also share your uploaded video using the video link. Just left-click on the video file, left-click on the share icon, left-click on the copy link on the lower right of the Get Link window, and paste the video link on Messenger or other communication platforms to send. This is what the recipient of your video link will see once they paste it on the address bar of their internet browser. They may also download it by left-clicking on the download icon on the upper right-hand side of their screen. Comment down below what you think about this Google Suite video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future Google Suite tutorial uploads. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.